I like to get up and put my gloves on and go to work. I would rather be cutting grass and cutting trees and sweaty and dirty than I would sitting at a desk in air conditioning. It's just me. I am David Thompson, and I own Thompson Lawn Care on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So I have a wonderful crew. It's small. There's 2 of them and me. And my girlfriend Angela loves to cut grass. And it's just rewarding to go out with people that you care about and you're getting paid to do what you love to do. I got started doing this in 2003. I worked at Keesler Air Force Base, and I just started cutting grass after work. And next thing you know, I'm full-time 20 years later. I started out with all high-end waterfront properties. After Hurricane Katrina, everything was destroyed, so we laid lots of sod, spread lots of dirt, and removed a lot of trees. And Katrina was in August of '05, so by '07, I started getting into more of the commercial contracts with apartments and condos. I go off my own every day, still do the high-end manicured lawns, but the contract stuff, my guys take care of all that. In the mornings, my guys get to my shop at 7 a.m. We'll get a game plan of what mowers need to go and if anybody's oil needs to be changed or blades, and we'll take care of that before we head out. Throughout the day, if they need something or if they have an issue, we stay in contact all day long. It's just a good feeling to know your guys are out working. And I think as a boss, when you do stuff that your guys do, they respect you for that. There's nothing more rewarding than to take a beautiful lawn and put stripes in it and make it just look good. We deal with Bahia grass, which is a tough grass to take care of and maintenance and make look good, but we also get the rewarding part of centipede and St. Augustine. Lush, fertilized centipede and St. Augustine is very rewarding to cut. The quality of your equipment is everything. I have been running Exmark since 2003. I buy the top of the line mower from the best company, and it pays off in the long run. You know, I'll cheap out on the truck towing it before I cheap out on that lawnmower cutting that lawn. This was one of my first properties in 2003 until August 2005 when Hurricane Katrina come in and leveled everything. They built the property back, and we was lucky enough to come in and take care of everything in the lawn, from the trees to the plants, to the grass, irrigation, and as you can see, it's beautiful. We're pretty lucky to live on the Gulf Coast. I can put my Bluetooth earbuds in and cut a big old wide open property looking at the Gulf through the palm trees and the sand beach. I'm lucky enough to have a business and people that believe in me enough to give me enough work. It's priceless to get paid to do something you really like doing.